Are you from Michigan too?
I'm from Michigan. Yes, sir, I am. Hey, you like technology, right?
I like
You want an Iron Man
technology.
flash drive? I lost his head. I don't know where his head's at. All right, you guys follow along, okay?
Okay.
You want to come to the work surface, or you want to sit over there? Can you reach it?
Work surface.
All right, you can come over here if you want.
What
Okay.
is this for?
And then you can take your bottom piece. This is the flat one, and you slide it in here just like Legos. This one right here, buddy.
Like this?
Yep,
Like a
just like
TV.
that.
Like a TV screen.
Just like that. Okay.
Wait, it's like a TV.
Yep.
Like Mr. J.
Sure is.
Look.
Now you take your side pieces and you see the groove on there. That goes with the bottom panel as well. So it's going to go on the side. See? Now spin it around so this side's facing over here.
There you go.
Flip it around. Like,
There you go.
yep. There you go.
Well, this is cool.
That's good.
This ain't gonna take long at all.
Okay. No, there you go. Just
I
push,
thought it
you
was
push this.
that's fine.
Sam, what is that you're building, man?
Look at this.
You building the box?
I already got it.
There you go.
Jay.
Now,
No, almost.
almost.
For
Look at the groove. Where's the groove go?
Got it.
See you. There you go, JT. That's right.
like that.
Just like that, Sam.
Take your other piece, Thax. Right here.
Now,
Look, watch.
pound that nail all the way down.
You gotta
do
make
it?
sure that these two are apart. And that goes on like this.
Is that straight enough?
What,
Keep,
bud?
keep going, okay?
Is that straight enough?
Yep. Clamp the
Watch
box
your hands.
sides.
Don't put your finger in the way.
Push into.
It's easy. That's
Okay.
So
easy.
now,
I did it.
Good job, bud.
He did it.
all right,
Go ahead, JT.
let's get you going again.
When you hammer a
There
penny
you
to
go.
a
Good
pipe.
job.
Really?
Yeah. Look.
Nice.
Now, how many more nails do we have?
What?
How many more nails?
Son, choke up on the hammer, son.
There's 3. I'm gonna get you started. Look at that thing go.
It's quiet, man.
And the dust goes in that.
Yeah, that's stuff up in the pipe. You know what that thing does? It makes a lot of noise.
It's already done?
It is already done. Who's next? Ready?
Dad,
Watch your fingers. There you go. You want to do this other one? There you go. Press the yellow button. Now press down until you find your name.
That's my name.
Okay, press down one time so you go to it. All right, there you go. Now you got to press the yellow button twice. Once more and then back up. There you go. It starts.
Thanks, Sam.
I'm gonna say Sam's box.
Is that what it's gonna say? Is that cool?
I can see the letters.
You see what?
I see the letters.
That brings up the menu. And then it's a file. We're going to run the file, so press the yellow button on the bottom.
JT
Now press the down
box
arrow until you find
so
your name. And then yellow. And then yellow. And there you go.
Nice.
I want to see JT. Sam's box.
What word is Sam? Show me. Point to it.
S-A-M.
And what's the other word?
Box.
What letters are those?
S.
Show me box and show me the letters. What letter is this?
Need a pencil in there?
B. O. X.
Very good. JT.
S-M-A.
Nice. Thaxton, let me see yours.
He did a little drawing there. He did a little drawing.
Cool. What do y'all tell Mr. J?
Thank you. Thank you.
High five, buddy.